Out here today testing my Kraton 8S with the 4-pack and the single on the ESC. We're gonna give this thing some speed rips today, check the speed of this thing, see how it's doing. So we're gonna connect to the Sky RC. One thing I noticed is that I got an upgraded servo in here, and it's really weak. So I kind of want to figure out why. Is at 100%. Let's see the Sky RC. So we're going to do track, start. That way it'll check our speed. I do have the new body out here, and I have the Haas out here. My daughter's going to be running the Haas. She also brought the Max, so we'll be running the Max today too. And I brought the Kraton 8S. I really want to see how the Kraton 8S compares to the Outcast 8S. So I brought the Outcast and the Kraton. Now this Kraton is modified, because the stock Kraton, everybody knows its weak points on that thing. And with this long chassis, it's really a pain. Now, these clips, I've had this Kraton a while now, and these clips are still a pain to get these clips in here. But once you get them in, it's not too bad. So, and I'm really not happy with this rugged, but it's better than the stock one was. So we're gonna rip it across the field first, and then we're gonna hit the dirt over there. So let's see how these things do. Oh, that's a lot of brake. Now this has got a Mama Monster X 8S. Oh, you flipped. Try using your button to flip it over. Just rock it back and forth. Because I think with this one you hit the top two buttons. There it goes. And when it starts rocking, you let them go. Now it's on its feet. So, and yeah, it's got a 2028 in it. I am running, I'm going to turn some of this brake down. That brake is way too much. Let's try 60%. Now, this is a new 2028 because my original one broke. I can't believe this thing's not wheeling that easy. There it goes. The Outcast wheelie's so much easier. Even this one with the 2028 in it, and I got it geared to the moon. See what the Sky RC said for speed. Stop. Read. So 49 miles an hour. So let's give it a rip again. See if we can get that speed up. Track. Start. Tracking. And then we'll see what the speed of the Outcast is stock. Because this one is fully modified, but I've added a lot of weight to this thing. Then I want to see what the temperatures are with all these fans in there. Poor little Haas is right in my way. Haas. That was a nice rip. That was full throttle there for a minute. So, stop, read, 55 miles an hour. That's not bad for a big, heavy beast like this. You gotta admit, having two 7600 batteries in there, that's a really, really good speed. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that off. And then we're gonna pull it out of there. So this one, I have it Velcroed just like I do all my other ones. It's Velcroed right here in the back. So all I have to do is pop it off and put it in my pocket. Little Skyr seed thing, I love it. She's practicing the flip over. Let's go hit some dirt. You ready to go hit the dirt before you wear this battery out or overheat it? So here's the jumps that kill everything.
I'm not even pressing the throttle, it was going by itself.
Yeah, it's still doing that? So these RCs are going to get really, really dirty in here, and I just cleaned this whole RC. Now I got a Servox servo in this thing, 7.4. It actually does better with the stock tires. So she's probably going to hit the big jump. I'm going to hit the little jump, get warmed up here. I'm really taking it easy on this RC. Unlike oh, nosedive. Unlike the Outcast. The Outcast, I sent it last time we were here. All right, show me what you got, Kraton. M2C chassis Kraton. The Outcast, I broke battery straps the last time I was here. Flies nice, no correction in the air on that one. I think these jumps are like speed bumps to it. Actually, I have the stock tires on this one. It's the other one. Oh, I hear something clicking. Nope. Didn't break it. And I haven't bent shock shafts in this one yet either. Let's take a look. My shock shafts are still straight on this Kraton. Now, I didn't bend the chassis on this. I wanted to build the ultimate basher. So I built this one. Oh, my battery strap came loose. Hopefully I could just take off the back too. Let me get this battery strap back on here. I think that came loose with the nosedive. My boy Game Changer, hooking it up, keeping things cold. Oh, that motor's ice cold. See, I got 4, 5, 6 fans on it, I think. Because I got a 45 tooth pinion in this thing. Got a little sideways on that jump. Let's go hit the big one before I break it. What are you doing? Practicing on the little jump? Let's see. No? Okay. All right, let me see if I can break this thing. Well, I don't want to break it, but I just have a tendency of hitting this thing, breaking stuff. Nice and easy, nice and easy. We're just plowing over everything. Now that's some air right there, guys. Now I was always scared to send this one so far because of the messing up and the chassis breaking. But with the M2C and Deontay telling me, send it, bro. Deontay picked every part in this thing to build it. Now I haven't put the shock shafts, but I have them. Wow, that's amazing. I think that's the furthest I've ever sent this thing. There she goes. Little hoss. Last time she was here, she broke the max over here. Is that as fast as it goes? Oh. Oh. I'm already at low voltage cut, guys. That's it. I gotta go change cars. This one's dead. 7600 batteries just don't last in this one. Plus my batteries are like 50 years old. Well, these are anyway. They're literally 6 months old, and when I was charging them, they got one cell in each battery that's really weak. Yeah, well, this thing sucks up batteries on this 2028 going full rip, and I don't want to carry this thing back to the car. That's full throttle right there. See, can't get the steering right on this thing. But once you look like it did pretty good.
I like that new button to move it to gear.
Yeah, that's all Traxxas does that.
All Traxxas, even my Max does that?
Uh-huh.
But it does it with the remote.
Oh. Fan got stuck. So here's my batteries on a 2S. Or my fans, I should say, not my battery. And the only reason I did this whole setup is because the fan that was on here kept breaking blades. So 2 beeps. I'm assuming 2 beeps is low voltage. But we'll check the batteries when we get home. So make sure all the sticks are out of it. All right, let me stop it there, guys. But I just wanted to show you this. Show you the chassis that I do run it. M2C. It's gorgeous stuff. It really is a good product. And a 2028 down here that is censored somewhere. I have the sensor wire plugged into the side. 2028, and look at that gearing. Oh, great. Balance port right next to it. But look at that gearing. Some monster gearing in there. All right, we'll be right back. All right, back again. Out here with the 8S Arrma Outcast. So the Kraton died, so I got the GPS set up right in here. We're gonna go ahead, get this thing connected to some satellites. Gonna pick track. We're gonna start it. I'm gonna put my phone away, get this body put on. Now, one thing I hate about this is having to slip this under this rear wing. Now, this body's taking a beating on the front here. Just because there's no wheel speed. Once you lose that wheel speed and you're in the air and you're gonna nosedive, you have no control. From there, you're just praying that you land somewhere soft. This thing is all stock. So, brake rate is all the way up. Steering trim, I think, is right. Throttle trim. Then we're gonna give this thing a rip. Fresh packs. We'll run across there. She's already wheeling. She's gonna end up crashing. Now this thing's a wheelie king. You're gonna break a wheel again doing that, holding trigger while crashing. Okay, let's run this thing back full speed. Almost didn't have enough brakes. Let's see what that was. Oh, you want to stop? Read. So 50 miles an hour, stock electronics. You just can't beat that. The other one's 55 and I've got 1,000 into those electronics. Well, not quite that. $450 in electronics. So, but the other one doesn't run hot. So we'll see how this one does. There we go. GPS in my pocket so I don't break it. Ready to head to the dirt before you run out of battery? Last time you'll see this truck clean.
You almost hit that.
Almost ran into the map. Time to get her dirty. Do I want to? Let's go home. I don't want to wash them. A lot of dirt, huh? And this one I'm running on the stock controller, the new controller. Everything about the Outcast versus the 8S Kraton is just so much better than the original drop of the Kraton 8S. Because I wasn't going to buy this truck because of the disappointment I had in the Kraton 8S and all the money I put into it. But I knew a shorter chassis would definitely be fun for stunting. So let's take it over to the little jump. Look at little Max go. The Max looks so tiny next to this thing. And the Max is way bigger than the Haas. You should have turned off the lights to save them.
I don't know.
There's a button right on the controller.
On the controller? Is it in the car or on the remote?
It's inside, underneath the body. So to turn off the headlights, you press the button on top of the light module, which is this one, and then the lights are off. save your battery and save it during the day. You don't have to, but it's there. I had to hit the trigger. I barely made that jump. That was full throttle. I guess I got to get a really big run and start. This is how I cracked up this body last time. That's where you broke the max wheel last time doing that. Instead of jumping straight, you jumped at an angle. Like that, you're jumping into the pile. The other one lands so much harder. This one's so much lighter. That was right on the wheels. No, not in the rocks. You're gonna get rocks and tear up the gears on the inside. We just finished fixing this thing. God, this thing is full of rocks. You should empty it out. It's got a lot of rocks in there. Nice thing about that body, it comes off easy.
Not a lot.
Yeah, it sounded like it. Things were rattling everywhere. Let's go hit the other jump. Oh, that brick, I almost hit that brick. That's why I don't like filming from down here, because I can't see where to hit the jump at. This one's for Deontay. Oh! Ran out of wheel speed. Got to save yourself a little bit of wheel speed. Ah. You gotta press it again. Oh, I forgot the battery, one of the battery straps is loose in this thing. Let me check to make sure the battery's not coming out. I broke one of the battery straps. Oh, it's good. I broke the front strap right there. I only have the back on one side. The last time I was out here, when I nosedived it and did that. Oh, she's sending that. That was a nice jump. Oh, you know. All conceited. Oh, watch out for that cement thing. You gotta go more at an angle. Jump this way. There's a cement block over there. Yeah, hit it and go this way. Still heading for the block. Huh? Smooth, nice, clean landing. Oh, hit a boulder. I now got thorns in my socks. Let me get rid of this boulder. Hard landing, hard landing. But no bounce. Those things used to bounce. We changed out the shock fluid, made some changes. Smooth landing. Look at her going as far as she can. Let's try to get this thing. Think she'll hit me? Yep. Right at me. I wasn't in your way. You were supposed to hit the jump. Yeah, but instead you looked at me and you drove it at me. Yeah. Yeah, avoid the big rocks. Oh, that's a good place for it in the trail. People love you. That way it's not in the middle where they walk. I got thorns in my shoes.
I don't.
Need help?
You just drove my car! My car looks all bent now.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it did.
It's perfect.
Yeah, totally perfect.
Yep, straight as an arrow. Oh, that's right towards that cement block.
Well, I don't know if that cement block is still there.
It didn't move. It's a big block.
It disappeared.
Oh, it disappeared? You ready? I'll follow you.
I don't even know if my car landed.
You land it.
I'll follow you this time.
Well, keep up. Ready? Tumble wumble, as Kevin would say. Need help?
No.
You sure?
No.
You like that button now, huh?
Yeah.
That's why I never showed you about it. I made you walk.
Ready to follow me?
Yeah. You're just going full trigger. You're not even jumping. Here, let me knock you over, because you're gonna, yes, you're gonna end up breaking an axle. There you go. You said follow you. Huh? You call that landing it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just want to make sure. Make sure it was a stunt. Uh-oh. I almost hit. I followed you. I almost hit that cement block, so I hit the brakes.
Not my fault.
I'd rather flip over than hit that. It's like a curb.
This is my fault.
You can. It's buried in the ground.
Oh, is it?
Yes, it is. It's right here. See?
It moves.
Yeah, uh-huh.
It does.
Watch out, there's a dirty mass there.
It moves. I can't even move it. It's not buried in the ground. I moved it.
Uh-huh.
You just don't want to move it.
Yep. Wheelie. Nope.
Nope, not today.
Not today. It said nope. Just said I'm gonna kick some dirt and some rocks. Great. Haha. 100 degrees out here right now. 101. Yep. You are you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the light didn't turn off. I hit the button 2 times. It didn't turn off.
Oh, that was a hard one.
It was not that hard.
It was.
No, it wasn't.
I heard it.
It wasn't hard at all.
You flipped and landed on throttle or something.
It wasn't hard at all.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Look at the car all in pieces.
It's not just the car to fuck.
It's in pieces. And look, all 4 tires are broken.
That's a lie.
Go get it.
No, you go get it.
Hurry up.
No, I have to go get it.
I'm thirsty. Because you're the one that did that.
I didn't do it.
Get your body first. I was bringing it to you.
No. Don't hit my body.
The Max is the one you got to push down. The Haas, you just slips in easy. Well, there we go, guys. But there we go, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you think. Max, X Max, Hoss, Kraton 8S, Outcast 8S. Which is your favorite? I know which one my favorite is out of these, but comment below. So we'll see you guys on the next video.